This is a video tutorial on how faculties can use the IIT Delhi project database. First we open the KM website. Once the student project database site has been loaded, we log in using our LDAP login and password. Once signed in as faculty, we see an option Float New Project. Once clicked on it, it opens a web page for floating a new project. It contains details like project title, the department in which to be floated, the project which is going to be floated would be valid till, a brief description of the project, prerequisites if any, and finally other information regarding the project. Let's create a sample project. I fill in with the project title. Then I select the department across the various departments of the institute. I select computer science and engineering. On valid till, when I click the tab, I get a calendar from which I can select a date. After a while, I fill in the description on what the project is going to be about. Finally, my expectations from the students who want to join in the project. This can be in terms of courses, CGPA, etc. And finally, one can preview on how the floated project is going to look like. And if the preview is found satisfactory, then the project can be saved and be floated to the whole IIT Delhi community. Now we move on to the other feature, that is of completing pending approvals by a faculty. When one clicks on my account, there is a tab pending tasks in every faculty's account. For now, I have no project to review, but if a student under my supervision has filled up a project and sent for my review, I would obtain the link to the project in this tab. Once I click on it, I can view the project, and if satisfactory, the workflow can be marked as published and saved. Once done, the project would appear on the IIT Delhi project database. As shown here. One can simply log out of the IITD student project database by clicking here. Thank you for using it.